Hello. Today I am starting new chapter differential equations. What is it? Let us understand the meaning of differential equation. Differential equation. An equation having derivative is called differential equation. It's okay. An equation having derivative are derivatives. It's called differential equation. It's clear? An equation having derivative is called differential equation. So before going to the differential equation, first we'll have to understand what is the meaning of equation. What is it? Equation. Because first of all, we have to understand actually what is it? Equation. Equation is a mathematical statement, okay, which balance left hand side and right hand side. So it's a mathematical statement balancing LHS and RHS, right? For example, suppose I would like to write here 2x plus 3y. In class 9th you have studied 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. Or x plus 4y is equal to 2. These are all called equations. What is the reason? Because there are two variable and equal sign. They are balancing statement, left hand side as well as right hand side. Okay. So that means when we substitute the values in place of x and y in place of variable, you are getting the result 0. Okay. So these are the solutions of x and y, and this is called equation, right? What is equation? Equation, actually this is the term which is coming from the polynomial. Okay. So before going to the equations, first we'll have to understand about the polynomial. What is it? Polynomial, it is actually some basic and general things which we are discussing here. Polynomial, it's an algebraic expression. It's an algebraic expression in which the combination of variable and non-variable, and one thing, very important thing, it's a combination of variable and non-variable, and power on variable should be non-negative integer. This is very important. Power on variable should be non-negative integer. It's called polynomial. It's okay. It's a linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, and many more. But what is the definition? It is a combination of variable and non-variable. Variable x, y, z, non-variable constant term. Okay. It's a combination of variable and non-variable, and power on variable should be non-negative integer. This is very important. This is very important, and this is the point which makes a difference between algebraic expression and polynomial. It's okay. And in the polynomial, if you will balance it, that means polynomial is equal to 0. What does it mean? It becomes an equation. Clear? So this is the term. Now not only a single variable, there are many variables there. Many variables involved in polynomial in equations, but condition is two variables can be added, subtracted, multiplied, but divide in some limited manners. Like suppose one variable is x, second variable is y. When we are going to divide it, when you divide by y, then y to the power 1, y to the power 1, it is y to the power 0 is coming, variable will be eliminated. Y square is not possible here. But if there is a x y to the power 4, it is y square. So simply we can write here x y square. It's okay. Right? Condition is the power on variable should be non-negative integer in the polynomial. Okay? And when we equate on the right hand side to the polynomial, it becomes an equation. So now we'll understand one thing, the differential equation is also an equation having derivative. In place of variable, here the terms in the form of derivative. Derivative, like what are the derivatives? There are two variables, x and y. Generally we will take x and y, two variables. X is independent variable and y is dependent variable. So this is y is a dependent variable. If we are going to differentiate this term, then what we have to write here? dy by dx. And what is the meaning of it? The meaning is the rate of change of y with respect to x. That means this x is independent variable and that is a dependent variable. And that is called first derivative. Differentiation of y is dy by dx is called first derivative. We'll use the terms y dash or y1 can be used, okay, anything dy by dx, y dash or y1, right? Once again, if you differentiate with respect to x, then what happens, dy by dx and dy by dx is equal to, we'll write here, d2y by dx square, or we can use the term as y dash double dash or y2. Anything can be used. Here, sometimes you know what happens, we'll use the d square y by dx square or d2y by dx square or the second derivative, all meanings are same. I think it makes no difference, you can use anything. So d square y by dx square, d2y by dx square or second derivative of y, same thing, okay? And which is denoted by y double dash or y2, it indicates that second derivative of y. Same as third derivative, so d square y by dx square dy by dx, so it is coming d3y upon dx cube is equal to y triple dash or y3. So first derivative, second derivative, third derivative, the same as x square x cube. Because this, I want to relate it x square x cube, so we are talking about the equations. And in when we are talking about the equation, so in equation we'll use the term as x square x cube, and in the derivative we'll use y dash, y double dash and y triple dash, like that, okay? So let me tell you one thing, the differential equations, there are two types of differential equations. There are two types of differential equations, okay? Number one, ordinary differential equations, and second is partial differential equation. Ordinary differential equation, what is the meaning of it? In ordinary differential equation, we are having a single variable. That means when we differentiate the term, so differentiate with respect to one variable only. There is a single variable involved, like dy by dx, d2y by dx square, like that, okay? dy by dt, d2y by dt square, something. So there is a single variable involved in it, single derivative involved, okay? Single derivative. Right? And partial differential equation in which more than one derivative involved, like dx by dt, dx by du, dx by dv, like that, okay? So more than one derivative involved in it is called partial differential equation. But in our syllabus, this partial differentiation is not there. We'll have to confine only in the, which one? Ordinary differential equation, okay? Ordinary differential equation. So now let us see for finding here one very important point which we are discussing now, that first to identify which equation is a differential equation, which one is not a differential equation, that you can identify on the basis of that which one is a polynomial and which one is not a polynomial. That's it. Simple, okay? There are two things which we have to discuss. Number one, order of differential equation. Order of differential equation. First order, second order, third order, okay? So some examples, suppose it is dy by dx whole square plus 2x d square y by dx square plus 3y is equal to 0. It's one example. Second is d3y by dx cube plus sin x is equal to 4. Third one is dy by dx whole cube plus 2 dy by dx plus 3 sin x is equal to suppose log x, whatever it is. Okay. In all these, you are going to check out, you are going to find out the order of the derivative. Order of the derivative here is given that dy by dx, only one order here. Here is d square y by dx square, second order. Okay. So here the highest order is called order of differential equation. Okay. Highest order. What is highest order? Is called order of differential equation. Highest order. In this equation, you will check which is the highest order. dy by dx is first order. D square y by dx square, it is the second order. So its order of this differential equation is 2. Okay. Order of its order is, highest order is 3. So its order is 3. Its order is 1. Okay. Its order is 1. So these are the order 2, 3, 4. So what means the highest order? That means the first derivative used, second derivative involved, third derivative involved. So whatever the maximum derivative is there, that is called the order. Simply suppose this is x cube plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. X square plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. So what we are finding in that? Highest order. Here the order is 3, that means we will get the 3 values of x. Maximum 3 values can be possible. Here maximum 2 values can be possible in these equations. Okay. And order 3. Here the highest order is, what is the order of the differential equation? Highest order is called the order of the equation. Okay. So that is order. In order, I don't think so any problem you have. When we are finding the order of the differential equation, simply you will see that highest order derivative is called order of the differential equation. Okay. Second one is degree. Second one is degree of the differential equation. Degree of differential equation. Degree. It's not so easy. You understand what is degree. Finding the degree, first of all, we'll have to make sure that this equation is a differential equation. Okay. And differential equation, what is the differential equation which is derived from the polynomial? So first of all, we have to confirm that it should be in terms of polynomial. It would fulfill all the conditions, all the norms of the polynomial. Okay. Only then we'll have to determine its degree. Right. 1 or 2 examples I am writing here, like d square y by dx square plus 3x dy by dx plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Here I want to write here 3d square y by dx square plus 3x sine dy by dx plus 4 is equal to 0. One I am writing here dy by dx plus 3y and e to the power dy by dx plus 3 is equal to 0. One I am writing here d cube y by dx cube plus 7 log dy by dx plus 4x is equal to 0. Okay. Here we are going to find the order and degree. So in order, I think there is no confusion at all. Any term is given. I am not using the term as an equation. If any term is given, we are finding the highest ordered derivative, that is the order of it. Okay. Highest order. Here highest order is 2. Here highest order is 2, this is highest order 1, highest order is 3. So these are the orders. Okay. For finding the degree, first we'll have to make sure that it is a type of linear equation. Yeah, sorry, it is an equation or not. And for equation, is it a polynomial? Yes or no. So we'll check it whether it is a polynomial term, yes or no. You leave it this term, you'll check it this is a polynomial, yes or no. What is a polynomial definition? Let me recall once again. It is the combination of variable and non-variable, and power on variable should be non-negative integer. So when we are talking about the differential polynomial or differential equation, so it is the combination of derivative, it is a combination of derivative and non-derivative, that means derivative and constant term, and power on derivative should be non-negative. Power on derivative should be non-negative. Okay. And derivative can be multiplied with any variable, it can added, it can subtract, and but division in a very restricted cases. Okay, right? So now let us check out of these 4 examples which one is not a polynomial type, which one is not an equation even. Okay, you can see here the derivative we are going to check is derivative. This is second order derivative multiplied by 1. It's a combination. Derivative, variable, it can be multiplied, no problem. So this is a differential equation. Okay. This is a differential equation. It's in the type of polynomial. Yes, it is a polynomial. Now let us see. It is derivative multiplied by constant term combination. Here what happens? The derivative is in the form of angle of sine, but in the definition of the polynomial it is not given that it can be expressed in the form of angle of sine. Okay, it cannot be expressed in the form of angle of sine or angle of any trigonometric term. So what does it mean? It is not a polynomial. Clear? Now let us check this. Dy by dx plus 3y e to the power dy by dx, e to the power derivative. It is also not a definition of polynomial. That derivative will be the power of exponential term. Okay, so that is also not a polynomial. Now let us check this. This is, it's okay, but second term, second expression, log dy by dx. It is not in a definition that this derivative is coming the value of log. Okay, so this is also not a polynomial. So is that clear? So if out of 4 these 3 are not polynomial, so we are unable to find the degree of that. We are unable to determine the degree, because the degree will be obtained only for those differential equations they are in a form of polynomial. It's okay. They are fulfilling the conditions of polynomials. So this is not a polynomial. These 3 are not polynomial. So here we cannot obtain any degree of these 3 terms. It's okay. So what does it mean? No degree, no degree, degree is not defined, degree is not defined, we'll write here. So degree is not defined. Is it okay? For these 3, we can use the term as a degree is not defined. Now let us go to the first one. This is a polynomial, yes. So what is the degree? Degree is highest. First of all, we'll have to check the highest ordered derivative in this equation. So in this equation, the highest ordered derivative is d square y by dx square. What is it? It is highest ordered derivative. And what is the power of it? That means what is the exponent of it? The exponent is 1. So what does it mean? Its degree is 1. So what is the degree? The power on highest derivative in a polynomial is called, and polynomial, which type of polynomial? It's a differential polynomial actually, right? First we'll have to derive it as a, first we'll have to check whether it is a polynomial, yes or no. If yes, it is a polynomial, then we are going to find the degree. And what is the degree? Degree means the power on highest derivative is called degree. Okay. So this is the difference between order and degree of differential equations, right? Order can be defined for all. first order, second order, third order, and nth order, whatever it is. Simply you can see any algebraic expression and you can find out which or the highest order derivative, that is the order of it. But finding the degree, first we'll have to check whether these are the terms which are in a form of polynomial, yes or no. If they are not in a form of polynomial, we cannot define degree. Is that okay? Clear? Because your first exercise is fully based on that to obtain degree and order of differential equations, right? So basically what happened, any derivative in the form of the angle of trigonometric term, which is in the form of the power of exponential, which is in the form of derivative in the form of log, okay? When we will see the examples like that, in these examples, degree is not defined, okay? And the derivative having non-negative integers only. Exercise 9.1. Exercise 9.1. Question number 1. Question number 1 is d to the power 4y by dx to the power 4 plus sine y triple dash, and you know that the meaning of triple dash, dq by y dx q is equal to 0. Question is, what is the question? Determine the order and degree if defined of the differential equations given in the 1 to 10. Okay. Order. What is the order of it? Highest order. Highest derivative order. What is the highest order of the derivative? 4. So order is 4. Degree. What is degree? Degree, it is coming, that is the derivative is coming with the sine. So it is the angle of sine. So what to write here? Since derivative is in the form of angle of sine. Derivative is in the form of angle of sine. Therefore, degree is not defined. Is that okay? Therefore, degree is not defined because it is not a polynomial. Okay? That is one. Let us see another question. ds upon dt to the power, I am taking question number 3rd. Simple question, just to verify whether it is a degree defined or not. ds upon dt to the power 4, ds by dt to the power 4 plus 3s d square s 3s d square s by dt square is equal to 0. Order. What is order? Highest order derivative d2s, second derivative. So order is 2. Degree. Whether it is a polynomial, yes or no? Yes, it is a polynomial. You can see it's a combination of derivative and constant term. It is a combination of derivative and constant term, and power on derivative should be non-negative. Power is positive. So yes, it is a polynomial. Therefore, its degree is, and degree on highest order. Here, what is the highest order? d2s by dt square. Its degree, highest ordered power is 1. Therefore, its degree is 1. Okay. Here you cannot write here the degree is 4 because this is the power 4 of first derivative. But here the highest order derivative is the second derivative. So we'll have to see the power of highest ordered derivative. Okay. Another question. want to take it. It is one question is given d square y, fifth question, d square y by dx square, second order derivative, is equal to cos 3x plus sin 3x. Okay, what is order? Order 2, degree. Degree defined, yes or no? Yes, degree is defined. Because sine, cos, log, exponential, these terms will not be coming with the multiple of derivatives, or they are not coming with the multiplication or addition or subtraction with the derivatives. Okay, right? So cos 3x plus sin 3x, it's okay there, so because no derivative involved in them. So this is also a difference. It is also a type of polynomial, and the highest order is 2, its degree is 1. Okay, so degree is 1. Next question, sixth, y to the power m y to the power, it is not m actually, y triple, question number 7, y triple dash square plus y double dash to the power 3 plus y dash to the power 4 and plus y to the power 5 is equal to 0. Okay, triple dash, double dash, one dash, I told you the meaning of it. So first derivative, second derivative, third derivative. Okay, we'll use the term as y1, y2 and y3 also. y1, y2, y3 also, because suppose y to the power n dash 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 up to n, then how to represent it? We simply write here y n. Okay, right. Here order. So we are going to see that the highest ordered derivative is 3. So order of this is equal to 3. Let us check degree. You can see that it is a simple polynomial. Okay, and in the polynomial, so if there's a polynomial, what does it mean? We have to find the power of highest order derivative. Highest order derivative is 3 and its power is 2. Therefore degree is 2. You will not write the degree is 5 here. So the highest power is 5, therefore the degree is 5. No. Degree is the power on highest derivative. Power on highest derivative. So this is the highest derivative, its power is degree. Okay. So you should not be confused in that. Always you remember, first you check the highest ordered derivative term, and whatever the power of it, it will be a degree of it. Okay. And before that you will check whether the degree is defined, yes or no. So these are the questions. Now one question I want to take, y double dash 2y dash plus sin y. Number 10, what is it? Y double dash second derivative plus 2y, y double dash plus 2y dash plus sin y is equal to 0. Order. What is the order of it? Second derivative is here, maximum second derivative, so order is 2. Degree. Defined, yes or no? You don't say that because the sin y is here, so it's not defined. I told you this angle derivative will not be the angle of any trigonometric term. Derivative, because it's a differential equation. So it means there is a variable. Variable can be the angle of any trigonometric term, but here we are talking about the derivative. Okay, so you'll see that no derivative, first derivative, second derivative, they are not the angle of trigonometric term. Sin y, it's okay, there is no problem in it. So this is a polynomial, it is defined, degree is defined in it, and what is the degree? Power on highest derivative, 1. So degree is 1. Okay. one MCQ question is given, the degree of the differential equation is what? Let us discuss this also. Okay. Question is d square y by dx square to the power 3. 11th question. D square y by dx square to the power 3 plus dy by dx to the power 2 plus sin dy by dx plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Question is the degree of this differential equation. Find degree. Find degree of the differential equation. What is the degree of it? It is not a polynomial because this derivative is angle of trigonometric term. So it is not a differential equation. Okay. Or we can use the term as it is not a type of polynomial, therefore degree is not defined. Okay. So what to write here? Since sin dy by dx is there, therefore degree is not defined. Therefore degree is not defined. Okay. What is the order of it? Highest order derivative. Highest order derivative 2. Okay. Suppose the sign is not here. Now what is this? Highest order derivative is 2, and what is the degree of it? Degree is 3. Clear? Any other question? Find the order of the differential equation. One question is given 2x square d square y by dx square. 12th, 2x square d square y by dx square minus 3 dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Plus y is equal to 0. The order of the differential equation. Order. Find order, and I am writing here and degree. Okay. Find order and degree. So what is the order of it? Order. Highest derivative. Power on, highest derivative of the differential equation. Highest derivative is 2. So order is 2. And degree. Is it a polynomial? Yes, it is a polynomial. It's a combination of variable and non-variable. Okay. And here when I use the term variable, what does it mean? It's a combination of derivative and non-derivative, any other term. And power on derivative should be non-negative. So everywhere you can see that power on derivative is non-negative. So what is the degree? On highest power, derivative degree is 1. So its degree is 1. Okay. That's all. So this is the exercise 9.1. In this exercise, we have discussed about order and degree of differential equation. I hope you have understood it. I hope you can find out what is the degree. Degree is defined, yes or no. What is the order of differential equations? Okay. Thanks for watching. Thank you.